Conditional sentences are those sentences that normally begin with F. It is of three types. Conditional sentence type 1, where the F clause is followed by present indefinite, whereas the subordinate clause is in future indefinite. For example, if I say अगर वो मेहनत करेगा तो कामयाब हो जाएगा, if he works hard he will succeed. ये इस तरह भी इसकी उर्दू आ सकती है कि अगर वो मेहनत करता है तो कामयाब हो जाएगा. तो अगेन if he works hard he will succeed. इसके नेगेटिव होंगे if he doesn't work hard he will not or he won't succeed. Type 2, if he worked hard he would succeed. In type 2, the if clause is followed by past indefinite, whereas subordinate clause or the secondary clause is normally in past indefinite with would form, future indefinite with would form. For example, if you work hard he would succeed, if he didn't work hard he wouldn't succeed. Type 3, whereas the if clause is followed by the past perfect tense, whereas the subordinate clause is future perfect tense with would form. For example, if he had worked hard he would have succeeded. अगर वो मेहनत करता तो कामयाब हो जाता.